Hi friends, let me show you this new cold laser and tints therapy device, the red light therapy device. Okay, you can use it for different recommended uses to relieve pain, to help in the recovery of an injury or whatever you want to use it for. You get the user manual, of course. You get all the instructions, everything you need to know to use it. Okay. The protective goggles for your eyes when you are going to use it. It is recommended that you use these protection goggles. You get the charging accessories, the cable and the actual wall charger. Okay. The charger, it's a USB-C kind of charger, okay? Well, you get a cleaning pad to clean the device, and you get this strap that is also very useful. If you want to put the device against your arm or your legs and you don't want to keep it pressed with your hand, you can just strap it to your arm or to your legs and keep it there, okay? Well, this is a unit. It has this protective silicone plastic, okay? You charge it here. You have well, the basic buttons here, the on and off button, the time that you want to use it, and the intensity, okay? Let's try it. We are going to put this strap onto the device holder. This way, you can put it in your arms or wherever you need it, and hold it like that, so you don't have to be, well, you can use your other hand to read or to type in your phone or whatever while the therapy is going on, okay? Let me turn it on. I will use the protective goggles, okay? We are going to turn it on, okay? It recommends 20 minutes. I am going to change it to 5, and I am going to start the session, okay? As you can see, there's the light. It's 5 minutes. I put the second intensity. It has 3 different intensities. And, well, this way you can have the therapy wherever you need it, and with this strap, even without holding the device, okay? Of course, you can take the device and move it around if you need to use it in a specific part of your body. Depends on how you want to use it, okay? So, well, this is the red light therapy, tints therapy. And if you need it, if you want to use it, I think it's a really recommended unit. Small, portable, nice looking, and with a lot of accessories to make it really useful. Thank you, really recommend it.